Hi guys, tonight we're going to a fireworks show. This is the fit.
Hey people.
Hey people.
Everybody say your name.
Oh, Savannah.
Lauren.
Audrey.
Monica. Grace. Where are we? We're in the middle of a field, brother. No way. But it's in fireworks. All the people. That is so lit! Oh my gosh. No way!
Alright, see ya.